Okay, I'm going outside and record outside when it's raining. This is summer rain. As you can see, it's raining outside. It's unexpected, but I took out the trash already. I want to walk around in the rain and get wet. This is how it looks. And over there's a sun. It doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. It's raining in the summer. Kind of feel like steam. Hot. Hot rain is what I call it. Very hot rain. Kind of like in Guam. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. What a weird song. It's raining though. Wow, look over there. It's sunny on the other side while it's raining over here.